others have thought about
15
suicide.
anyos na babae nitong December 9.
On Thursday, October 9.
Percent of Filipinos.
Masela na ang pinagawa
Pati reklamong rape.
Sama-sama tayo babangon muli.
Okay, go, go.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. I am Nathan and I'm here with Elise.
Oh, ba't ganyan naman mukha mo? Nanonood ka na nga ng videos niyo.
Wala. This ba Mateo? Just keeps on bothering me. Nakakainis na.
Baliw na baliw sa'yo
Nga, I'm already taken. Ulit-ulit ko yung sinasabi sa kanya Ulit.
One day, you'll finally be mine. All mine.
Are you done na ba sa Filipino? Yung assignment.
Yung tayutay at sakang isa.
Yes, yun. Sa bahay ko na gagawin. Si Mami, late na Baka magagalit.
Sige, si tita kasi dapat nag-uusap kayo na iniintindi ka niya. Una na ako nag-ingat ka. Pasundo ka na lang kay Nathan.
Nate, can you pick me up? Let's go home together.
Sure, Ellie. I'm actually here outside waiting for you. How are you? Is it heavy? Give me your bag. Ellie, it seems like something's been bothering you lately. Is everything alright? I'm all yours.
I guess it's just been a lot lately. My academics keep getting worse. My parents have been berating me nonstop. I feel like such a failure right now.
Hey, no, don't call yourself that. You're not a failure. It's not really your fault. You've been trying your best, and your parents need to understand and respect you for that.
That's the thing. I have been telling them this is all I can do. Yet they somehow come up with excuses to boost their ego.
Sounds to me like they want more control than they want to listen. Remember, I'm always here for you, okay?
Thank you, Nathan, for everything. I'm so thankful that I have someone who truly understands me.
I love you very much.
I love you. Always and always.
Hi anak, late ka naman umuwi. How many times do I have to tell you na pabutihin mo ang pag-aaral mo? Palagi ka na lang late umuwi, tapos mababa pa yung grado mo.
Ma, if only you knew the struggles I went through. Just for the sake of my grades.
Yan na nga lang ginagawa mo, magre-reklamo ka pa? Yan pa ba yung sinasabi mo na mag-aaral ka sa Manila? Sa universidad na kinakabaliwan mo?
Ma, understand me muna, please. Madami po kami ginagawa sa school. Pagod na ako. Hindi ba magpahinga muna? Bumabawi naman po ako Hindi pa ba yung sapat para sa inyo?
So balik kami pa yung pabigat sa'yo. Mas alam namin ang kahirapan at pagsasakripisyo, lalo na para sa'yo. Kaya kailangan mong pabutihin ang iyong pag-aaral at huwag puro reklamo. Sa susunod na gabi ka na umuwi, huwag ka nang umuwi dito, ha?
Gabriela, Elise! Hindi ako nakipagsapalaran sa Saudi para sa wala, ha?
At dapat ikaw pa din ang top 1 hanggang graduation mo, ha?
Easy naman yung quiz. Binasic ko na lang sa Filipino. Ano answer mo sa number 5?
Ipinanghiwan ni Miguel ng karne ang kutsilyo. Ano answer mo sa number 6?
Ipinaglinis ni Alfonso ng kwarto ang mga bisita. Dali, no?
Tapos madali ka rin mawawalan ng bahay kung hindi ka pa umuwi. Di ba curfew mo, 5:30? 5:51 na,
Di mo naman sinasabi agad, Shan. Papatayin ko talaga ni Mama.
Ba't parang kasalanan ko pa?
Kahit nakapikit mata, naririnig kita. Kahit nakatakip tainga, nakikita kita. Di ako perfecto katulad ng iba, pero kahit pinapakot na mga pinukurakot pag di ka natakot ay kayo sa sapat ko pero ang suot
Laoy, gabing talaga. Sino naman ako sa bahay?
sa hindi kong sistema o sasama ka sa akin puksain ang epidemya. Nalamaganap, nagpahirap sa mahirap.
Tayo, tayo.
Tumahimik ka na lang. Wala ka na magagawa. Huwag maging gentle. Susunod ka naman pala eh. Huwag kang magsusumbong ah. Kung sasabihin mo ang nangyari, kumanda ka. I'll make sure you'll regret it.
Oh wait, where's my laptop? Oh freak, I forgot it. Nice. Wait, what's that noise? Just go. Wag naman sanang pumutingin. Need ko laptop ko. Elise? Elise! What happened to you?
Nathan, what on earth did you do? Natawag ako ng police!
Wait, let me explain. She was already...
No! Diyan ka lang! Malinaw na malinaw, ikaw ang umaasa kay Elise! Elise!
Bakit ako? Bakit napakamalas sa buhay? I am so tired of pretending to be okay. I am so tired to carry a weight full of pressure and stress. I feel unheard, helpless, and unappreciated. I want to rest. Hindi ba pwedeng lagi na lang tayo masaya? No conflicts, just a happy life I have always dreamed of. Hindi yung puro sigaw at iyak. Gusto ko rin mabuhay na masaya at mapayapa. Is it too much to ask?
We look back at all of this and wonder why I stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go?
Minsan, ang tunay na kalayaan ay nagsisimula sa pagpili mong bumitaw dahil nakakapagod ng umawag pa.
I'm grateful to have you. I'll always be here for you.
Elise, mahal na mahal kita.
Anak, tandaan mo, kahit anong mangyari, ako'y proud na proud sa'yo.
All rise. The Regional Trial Court Branch 17 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Ethan Garcia presiding.
Please be seated. Calling the case of the people of the state versus Nathan Buenaventura, charged with the crime of rape, appearances accused. For the people, Your Honor.
For the accused, Nathan Buenaventura, Your Honor.
Proceed with the presentation of the accused.
Mr. Buenaventura, please tell the court what happened on the evening of October 21.
When I entered the classroom, I saw Ellie, my Ellie, shaking, terrified. She couldn't speak. I told her and I held her. That's all I did.
Isn't it true that witness Mr. Red Salvador here saw you on top of the victim?
He saw me trying to calm her down. He misunderstood. Ellie suffers from panic attacks. She freezes when she's scared.
So you expected this court to believe that you just comforted her?
Yes, sir. I love her, and I will never hurt her.
Mr. Salvador, when you saw the accused, what exactly did you witness?
I saw Nathan holding Elise. I thought he was the one who hurt her, but I'm not sure anymore.
But you told the police you saw him assaulting her.
I might be wrong. It was dark. I just panicked. Witness, answer directly. Yes or no? Did you or did you not see the accused commit the act? No, Your Honor. I didn't actually see the act.
Your Honor, we have a newly discovered evidence, a CCTV footage near the area showing another man Mateo Villanueva, entering and leaving the premises before the accused arrived.
Objection, Your Honor. The footage is inadmissible. It's been discredited by the investigator.
Inadmissible? But the footage clearly shows the real perpetrator.
Objection sustained. The defense shall move on.
With all due respect, Your Honor, this evidence could exonerate my client.
Enough, counsel. You are bordering on contempt.
People rest, Your Honor. The accused alibi is weak. His story is unbelievable. We seek the full measure of justice, conviction, and death by hanging.
Your Honor, this is injustice. My client is innocent. The true assailant walks free, protected by power and wealth.
After careful deliberation, the court finds the accused Nathan Buenaventura guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
No, Your Honor, please.
The penalty is death by hanging to be carried out 30 days from today's date.
Everyone, earthquake, take over! Lumabas tayo lahat. Wala mo sirap na exit.
Seismic activity detected. Magnitude 6.5. Please proceed to the nearest emergency ramp and evacuate calmly. Please stay calm in an open area until the earthquake stops.
Is this God's judgment?
Grabe talagang mga korap dito sa Pilipinas. Halatang hindi ginawa ng maayos.
The materials used are obviously cheap. Hindi makatarungan ito. By the way, have you seen the rape case of Elise Valdez and the Valdez massacre in Talisay City?
What? Really? What happened with the Valdez? Nakakaawa si Elise. She went through a lot. Namatay na nga mga pamilya niya. Ginahasa pa siya.
I believe they were killed before Elise was raped. Madami nga nagsasabi na ang mga Villanueva nagutos nun.
Ang paglilitis kay Nathan Buenaventura ay muling binubuksan matapos lumitaw ang bagong ebidensya. Ngayon ay
The footage clearly shows another man doing the crime, not Nathan.
May gusto po akong sasabihin. Hindi si Nathan ang gumawa nun. I know and I'm ready to speak up. Si Mateo, ang kaklase namin ni Nathan.
Base sa bagong ebidensya, nabawi ng korte ang hatol ng kamatayan. Si Nathan ay pinalaya at inaanunsyo innocent.
Knew it. Siya lang ang makakawa ng kay Elise. Sometimes justice comes late, but it always finds its way through truth. I'm sorry, Ellie. I wasn't there when you needed me.
It's okay, Nate. I apologize.
Remember how we loved then?
You don't have to be sorry. I understand why.
I'm so sorry, Elise, for everything I have done.
I accept your apology now. I'll never forget what you've done to me.
But love was all that we were on. We belong.
La chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara, la chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara.
Ma, pa, alam niyo po ba, maglaki ako. Gusto ko po maging isang lawyer.
Lawyer? Talaga na? Bakit naman?
Kasi po, I want to protect people who are innocent and victims of injustice. I want to be the voice of those oppressed. Mama, kagaya nung nangyari kina lolo at lola.
Tama yun, anak. Magsilbi kang boses sa mga taong takot magsalita at lumaban.
Alam mo na, ang galing mo talaga. Proud na proud kami sa'yo.
Totoo yun, anak. Susuportahan ka namin ng papa mo sa iyong pangarap.
Ma, pa, mahal na mahal ko talaga kayo.
Nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na